The great Marxist leader Barrister Qurban Ali by Raja Anwar, author, intellectual, former advisor to Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Until half a century ago, a beautiful village of Rajputs named Sahib Rajgan stood on the banks of the Jhelum River, a few kilometers from Mirpur. It was a village of mighty wrestlers. In this very village was born a legendary wrestler, Raja Alf Khan. He was not only a celebrated name in the wrestling arenas of Jammu and Punjab, but was considered unmatched in the national sport of arm wrestling. His iron-like grip was so powerful that even if he caught the trunk of an elephant and twisted it, the elephant would helplessly collapse in pain. For a lifetime, almost half a century, no wrestler could escape his grasp. Such was his fame that the Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir himself was drawn to Sahib Rajgan. The Maharaja had already heard tales of his unmatched strength. He honored Raja Alf Khan with his royal ring so that whenever he entered a government office or event, he would be given a warm and grand reception, seated in the best place, and all his legitimate requests fulfilled with utmost priority. Raja Alf Khan lived to be 100 years old. It is worth noting that Sahib Rajgan, perhaps due to local dialect or some other reason, gradually came to be known as Sewa Rajgan. Later, this once lively village of wrestlers was swallowed by the Mangla Dam. In winter, when the water recedes, the ruins of Sewa Rajgan rise again every year, mourning the past. During the reign of the Maharaja, Raja Alf Khan's younger brother, Ghulam Rasul Khan, served as a range officer in the Department of Forestry. He had 3 sons, Qurban Ali, Suleiman Khan, and Abdur Rahman, respectively studying in matric 8th and 5th grade. One evening over dinner, inspired by the leaders struggling for India's independence, he told his sons in a traditional tone, "Look at how Gandhi, Jinnah, and Nehru are fighting the war of independence for India with such wisdom and intellect, and all 3 of them are barristers. I wish that one of you could pursue higher education like them and become a guiding light for the enslaved state of Jammu and Kashmir. I can only afford to educate one of you." His eldest son nodded in agreement and said, "I will fulfill your dream." And indeed, the young boy proved it. Instead of losing himself in the games and distractions of village life, he shouldered a bag of books and set off in pursuit of knowledge. To fulfill his father's dream, he earned a bar at law degree from Lincoln's Inn, London, the same institution where Jinnah and Gandhi had studied. After graduating, instead of taking on high-profile criminal cases for the wealthy in ordinary courts, this young man decided to fight the case of the oppressed, the downtrodden, and those deprived of basic human rights. Until his last breath, tirelessly and without rest, he kept